So today we're going to be making cheesy corn dog. So the ingredients are mozzarella cheese, flour, some salt, baking powder, sugar, egg, fresh cow milk, and breadcrumbs, and some sticks. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to cut the cheese. So we cut the cheese in half. Take a stick and put it in the cheese. Oh no. And I did it. To the other one. So now once we've put the sticks in the cheese, we dip it in the flour. Spread it. Spread and spread and spread. Come on, you can do it. Spread. Okay, now we put it on the plate. Okay. Now we put it on the plate. And now we put it in the freezer for 20 minutes. In the freezer for 20 minutes. $250 grams of flour and put in 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay. And then we put 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. And then we put 1 teaspoon of sugar. And now we mix it thoroughly until it's mixed well. Crack an egg in and put it inside. Oh my gosh. Woo! Now we put 200 ml of milk. And so we mix it thoroughly. So now while waiting for the mozzarella sticks to freeze, we're going to put this inside the refrigerator. So now we're going to take it out from the freezer. So now we dip the stick inside the mixture. Dip it. Anything is covered. And so now after we've dipped it in the flour mixture, we put it in the breadcrumbs. Roll it up. It's done. And so now it's time to cook it. the corn dogs. So we'll taste this. Eat it. Come on. See how it tastes. It's not hot.